Namaskar, we are at Silicon Andhra in Milpitas, as you know. This is a great non-profit that has been promoting the Telugu culture and Indian culture here in the Bay Area and beyond. And this is the 25th anniversary of Silicon Andhra. Grand Silver Jubilee celebrations are coming up on 31st July and August 1st. This is some of the volunteer team, great organizers who are putting together some grand cultural celebrations that have never been before in the United States of America. So yes, some magic is coming up, and let's hear more from these wonderful people. What's going to be great on 31st July and 1st of August at Oracle Arena? Anand Kuchibotla ji, let us know.
Silicon Andhra completing 25 years is a great cause for celebration. Even though we are centric around Telugu is a part of Indian culture. So we are bringing the greatest different perspectives of Indian culture that reflect also the Telugu onto that stage. "1,000 people will be performing Sangeetamrita Varshini, a Carnatic music-based program. 300 mridangams will be playing and will be creating a Guinness World Record. 400 people will be dancing for Kuchipudi. 300 people will be singing Lalita Geetamrita Varshini, we can call it as Bhava Geetalu. Telugu has several verses and 100 verses are called a Sataka. 18 verses are being memorized and recited that day to create a Guinness World Record. Later we will be presenting by extolling the virtues of India, Vande Bharatam, a semi-classical dance with 300 people. And then we will be having a Daksha Yagnam, a grand operatic drama with 150 artists that has been never presented. The grand finale is India has a lot of folk dances and Andhra Pradesh and Telangana has several folk dances. 1,000 artists will be presenting different folk art forms from Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. That day morning 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. 5,300 performers will be participating in this program. It is just $25 to register. Please come and enjoy the authentic Indian culture at its best.
భారతీయ సంగీత మహానుభావుల అమూల్యమైన కీర్తనలతో అలరించే సంగీతామృత వర్షిణి గిన్నెస్ వరల్డ్ రికార్డ్స్ అటెంప్ట్ కూడా చేస్తున్న ప్రత్యేక వేడుక. తరువాత లయామృత వర్షిణి, విద్వాంసులు, గురువులు, శిష్యులు కలిసి లయామృతాన్ని పంచబోతున్నారు. ఇది కూడా గిన్నిస్ ప్రపంచ రికార్డు ప్రయత్నంగా జరగబోతున్న ప్రత్యేక వేడుక.
Wow, that is like too much extravaganza in just 2 days. Morning till evening, they are just going to give you little time for lunch, I guess.
Definitely.
Tell me a little more about what makes you so excited about the Silver Jubilee celebrations.
Thank you, and a warm welcome to all our viewers who are watching our warm welcome from Silicon Andhra. This is Satyapriya Tanugula. I'm the current president of Silicon Andhra, and it is 25 years of the very celebrations that we all have been part of, and celebrating the 25th year is itself an extra special privilege for all of us, because we all grew up along with Silicon Andhra. We were all newlyweds. Some of us were not even married. Our kids were actually born and raised in this one large Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. That's what we call the universal family. And Silicon Andhra is not an organization, though it's a non-profit status organization. It is one large global Silicon Andhra family. And being a part of this family itself is a great virtue, a great privilege, and we all welcome you all to just come and spend the joyous moments and celebrate 25 years of existence.
That's really wonderful. So, lot of performances, as Anandji, the founder of Silicon Andhra, mentioned, are getting lined up. That involves a lot of dedication, lot of practice, and a lot more volunteer force. We are seeing only some of the faces right now on the camera, but there is a huge volunteer force behind it. And Sneha, you are convening it, and I know you are a great dancer yourself, a great propagator of the Telugu culture as well. Tell me a little more about how you feel and what is your one pitch to the viewers why they should come to Oracle Arena.
So thank you very much. Like you said about the volunteers, almost 300 plus volunteers, dedicated volunteers are getting ready to present this cultural Olympics, which is going to be, in my caption, never before and never after. You might not have seen a mighty spectacle like this. I don't think in this generation of ours will, see another cultural spectacle like this ever. At least I won't see, I know that. And to the Bay Area crowd and any Indian diaspora, I cordially invite and to come and participate and support this cultural Olympics, because this is going to be historic and it will be noted in the history books for sure. And participants, attendees are coming from across USA, Canada and various countries. So it's August 1st, all the roads will lead to Oakland Arena. Me as a proud Silicon Andhra volunteer is looking forward to welcome each and every participant, attendee, and with warm hearts and warm welcome.
Harom hara harom hara swagatam suswagatam Silicon Andhra Rajatotsavaniki swagatam suswagatam.
I know Silicon Andhra promotes the hardcore Indian traditions, the Andhra traditions in US of A. So you will be inviting a host of celebrities who will be Sangeet Natak Academy Award winners, the Padma Shri, Padma Bhushans, Padma Vibhushans. Tell us a little more about the current lineup which is confirmed.
We have a lot of luminaries from the literature, music, dance fields. Padma Bhushan awardees Sudha Raghunathan is coming. Padma Bhushan awardee Dr. Yarlagadda Lakshmi Prasad ji is coming. Sangeet Natak Academy awardees Gummadi Gopalakrishna Garu is coming. And several other Trichy Sankaran from Canada is coming. Tiruvarur Vaidyanathan, another Sangeet Natak Academy awardee from Chennai is coming. And locally top-notch musicians, practically every Bay Area guru is coming. And for the Kuchipudi, all Kuchipudi dancers from across the country are coming.
Telugu Sahiti Sanskritika Sampradaya
జానపద జాతర జనం గుండెలో మోతర సిలికాన్ ఆంధ్ర రజతోత్సవ వేడుకల్లో భాగంగా బంజారా, గుస్సాడి, కొమ్ముకోయ, డప్పులు, పులివేషాలు అనేక రకాలైనటువంటి జానపద నృత్యాలలో పాల్గొనాలని ఉత్సాహం ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరూ 9 ఏళ్లకెళ్ళి 99 ఏళ్ల దాకా అందరికీ ఇదే మా స్వాగతం.
So this is something never seen a congregation, and we are attempting to have a hat trick of sorts, 3 Guinness World Record attempts that day.
What precisely are they? I know you talked about one of them.
The first one is Guinness World Record in Carnatic music. Second one is in Mridangam. Third one is the Telugu verses recitation.
Wow. And it is an amalgamation of most of the South Indian languages. The cultural performances will be done from the state of Tamil Nadu, from the state of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Kerala, even UP. You know, they are bringing in cross-cultural celebrations. Tell me a little more about the amalgamation of cultures.
So when we present Vande Bharatam, it is we have picked songs that has a combination of Telugu and Hindi being nationally spread language. So people in that are performing, and again folk arts, it has, if you take a Banjara, like Banjaras in Telangana state, actually they migrated from Rajasthan. So kind of amalgamation of the from Himalayas to Kanyakumari, we would like to showcase in that Vande Bharatam. And Carnatic music, of course, it transcends, and classical dance, it's again transcends from north to south.
Wow. So a great unification of different cultures and dances and music from across India. जो भरा नहीं है भावों से, जो भरा नहीं है भावों से, बहती जिसमें रसधार नहीं, वह हृदय नहीं है, पत्थर है जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं. So let's bring up different cultures from different parts of India and bring them under one roof through Silicon Andhra, which is celebrating their Silver Jubilee at Oracle Arena on July 31st and August 1st.
జనం గుండెల్లో మోత మోగించే మహా ముగింపిది. అంటే ఇది కేవలం డాన్స్ కాదు కదా, మన మట్టి వాసన, మన పల్లె గుండె చప్పుడు అన్నమాట. అవును బుడుగు, పిల్లల నుంచి పెద్దల వరకు అందరూ కలిసి సంబరపడే మన జానపద తెలుగు జాతర. ఇంకెందుకు ఆలస్యం? silverjubilee.siliconandhra.orgకి వెళ్ళి మీరు మీ కుటుంబ సభ్యులు ఇప్పుడే రిజిస్టర్ చేసుకోండి. ఆగస్టు 1వ తేదీన ఓక్లాండ్ అరీనాలో అందరం కలుద్దాం. రండి, ఈ సంబరంలో మనమంతా కలిసి పాల్గొందాం.
Thank you for the viewers here. You can go ahead and register at silverjubilee.siliconandhra.org, and any questions you can always send silverjubilee at siliconandhra.org. Please do write any questions you have. We are here. Everyone is aware of response. You'll get in no time the replies, and please reach us at the silverjubilee.siliconandhra.org. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. So see you all, book your tickets, and I can't wait for these grand celebrations. I hope you can't wait for something that you will never have seen before, as these ladies have truly put together a wonderful showcase. So do make it and celebrate the Indian culture with us. See you at Oracle Arena.